Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a brush stroke effect around text in Photoshop. Type your text in bold uppercase fonts, convert it to a smart object for flexibility. Then add a thick color stroke around the text. Now apply a texture brush preset to the stroke. Switch fill to transparent to highlight edges only. You will get a printed look instantly. Then duplicate the layer and rotate slightly. For texture layering, use darker tones on the bottom layer stroke for shadow depth. Try blending modes like soft, light or multiply. Now add a splatter